Welcome my friends. Today we will learn how to extract point shape file from data elevation model and also how to export that point shape file with latitude and longitude to Excel sheet. So let's get started. First open the ArcGIS. Then this is my sample data elevation model. Open the Arc toolbox and go to the conversion tool. In conversion tool, you will find from raster to point. Select the raster and click OK. If your data elevation model is large, then it will take time. As your raster to point is converting, you can also check in result section. Raster to point is under progress. As you can see, your raster to point is converted. This is your point. Right click on raster tip. Check the open attribute table. As the file is large, because millions of points is created as per pixel value, that's why it will take time to load. In this attribute table, you will see the four columns: object id, shape and point. This is the point shape file and grid code. Now we have to find the latitude and longitude of the each point. Then we will add the two fields: latitude, select as double, and one is longitude. Click OK and first check the data frame properties, the projection system. I will select as in 1984 and check whether it is available or not. This is the x coordinate, latitude, decimal degree. I will convert projected coordinate system. In x, I will calculate as in a meter and click OK. Your data is large, so it will take time. So keep patience. As you can see, the latitude of each point is now calculated. Now we will calculate the longitude. This is the y coordinate in meter. Now your longitude is also calculated. Now we will export this point shape file attribute table to Excel sheet as a CSV file. This is the export. First you have to clear all selection, then go to export all record, save as a CSV click OK. Then your table will be exported as a CSV file. Now we will check. This is the file. Here your file is exported now. Now your CSV file is exported to Excel sheet. Now you can use this to find your coordinate of each pixel. By using this Excel sheets, you can also prepare data where you want to fill your particular data, where your survey is not survey data is missing. You can fill this satellite data in